Are you guys going well or happiness? Because the subject for today, are you happy? Okay. How about you, Sinta? Why are you silent? Are you sick? No? Okay, that's good kalau gitu. Uh, Before we start our lesson for today, it's better we pray first. Pray, begin. Pray and. Okay, I hope all of you are enthusiastic about lessons for today. Dan Miss minta coba dong diperiksa temannya yang di sebelah kanannya, yang di sebelah kirinya, yang di depannya, ataupun yang di belakangnya. Masih sama nggak wajahnya dengan pertemuan yang lalu? Masih ya? Miss kira tuh beda gitu, beda mukanya, muka yang lalu sama yang sekarang, lebih fresh gitu. Okay, there are 45 students in this class, right? Betul ya? Hadir semua kan? Okay, that's complete kalau gitu. Okay, our material for today is anaphoric, cataphoric, and exophoric. I will explain you one by one. You necessary to listen carefully and then open your eyes, use your brain, supaya nanti pas ujian gak keliru lagi. Apa sih itu anaporik? Apa sih itu kataporik? Nih, eksoporik ini apaan? Makanan. Oke, itu nggak that's good ya. Oke. I make 3 points and I will explain you one by one. Okay, can you see in this whiteboard? Bisa ya? Okay. The first point is what is anaphoric reference? By the way, did you ever hear about the title before? No? Atau pernah di jalan-jalan dibuat pamflet gitu, pernah? Enggak ya. Karena this is the first time we learn about it and Miss teach you, so you must understand and get it, okay? Supaya when the people ask you about your material or your sister asks you about the material for today, you not confused to explain it, ya? Karena udah tahu juga, udah Miss jelasin juga nanti. Jadi kalau ada yang kurang dimengerti boleh bertanya sama Miss, okay? And then Miss will give you assignment and next week dikumpulin. Okay? Okay, the first point is what is anaphoric reference? Okay? What is anaphoric reference? Okay. What is the definition of the anaphoric reference? Anaphoric reference occurs when a word or phrase refers to something mentioned earlier in the discourse. For example ya, sebagai contohnya, Michael went to the bank. He was annoyed because it was closed. Katanya si Michael pergi ke bank, tetapi dia bingung, tetapi dia merasa merasa bingung banget karena banknya itu tertutup. Jadi when we analyze it, he refers to Michael, and then it refers to bank. Okay, anaphoric often make use article because there are many functions. Okay. Yang kedua, the second point is you must understand about it. Okay, don't be lazy to listen. Okay, the second point is, what is cataphoric reference? Okay, I repeat again. You listen carefully. Maybe sometimes in the end of the class, I will ask you what is reference for the from the three parts, from the 3 points. And you must already can to give answers to me. Okay, so perhatikan and listen carefully. Okay, what is anaphoric reference? Anaphoric reference occurs when a word or phrase refers to something mentioned later in the discourse. Miss, I wanna ask, gitu, boleh ya? I wanna ask, what are the difference of the anaphoric examples and cataphoric examples? Bisa kok bertanya seperti itu ya? Bisa, karena I'm really excited when the students ask me, and I will more explain and you understand it. Okay, good. For example is although I phone her every week, but my mom still complains that I don't keep in touch often enough. Di sini katanya dia udah menelepon mamanya setiap minggu, tetapi mamanya tetap komplain, gitu ya. Okay. If we analyze the cataphoric is like her refers to my mother. Her refers to my mother, because her di sini itu adalah bisa didefinisikan her berarti ibu saya, gitu kan. Kalau dibilang her di sini adalah ibunya. Contohnya ibu saya adalah pelaku jualan. So who is the her in this sentence? Ya ibu saya, atau his mom, atau her dad, or another. Okay, ngerti ya? Okay, I will continue to the third point. The third point is, what is exophoric reference? Exophoric reference occurs when a word or phrase refers to something mentioned outside of the discourse. For example nih, boleh ditanya juga nih ya, sebelum kita ke contoh, boleh ditanya juga nih, Miss, beda juga nggak pemakaiannya hair di kepunyaan di anaporik, kataporik dengan eksoporik? Boleh ditanya ya. Oke. Nanti kalau ada yang bertanya, nggak ada ya, oke lah. Kita ke contoh. For example, they're late again. Can you believe it? They are late again. They are late again. Can you believe it? Gitu. Mereka terlambat lagi nih. Apakah kamu mempercayai itu? Gitu. Like that, seperti itu. Jadi, when we analyze the sentence seperti ini. They refers to some people outside the discourse known to the both speakers. Jadi they di sini refers to some people. Refers to some people. Kalau tadi kalau di kata porik itu kalau her itu my mother. Gitu kan? Oke. Udah ngerti ya, Miss udah jelaskan poin-poin penting dalam materi hari ini, and three points. I hope you understand and you get it. So the task, the assignment for today is search a lot of examples from the 3 points. Okay? Okay. Now our learning is finished and the time is up to it's better sebelum kita pulang, sebelum kita keluar dari kelas ini, before we are out from this class, it's better we pray first. We pray and we say grateful to our God. Okay? Pray, begin. Pray and okay. I see all of you are enthusiastic and more active for today, for these lessons, for the material. I hope you enjoyed this class, enjoyed this subject, and you get it, and you understand about it, and don't to forget about the assignment. Okay? Okay.